Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install Dev C++ in Windows 11 for C programming. To get started, open Google and search for Dev C++ download. The first result should be Dev C++ download from SourceForge. Click that link and you'll see a download option. Click on the green download button and your download will start. The file is around 48 MB, so give it a little time to complete. Once the download is done, double-click the file, then click Yes to begin installation. The setup may take a moment to load. You'll be prompted to select a language. I'll go with English here. Next, you'll see the user agreement, which you can read if you'd like. Then click I agree. The setup will show what's going to be installed. Make sure the compiler is checked, as it's essential for running your code. You can leave the last item unchecked if you want. Click Next, and you'll see the default installation location. You can click Browse to change this if desired. Once you're ready, click Install to begin the installation. After installation, you can check the box to Run Dev C++ and click Finish. Dev C++ will open, and you'll be asked to select a language again. You have several options, but I'll choose English. On the next screen, you'll see the default font settings with various font options. You can leave it as is or change it if you want, then click Next and OK. You'll now see the main Dev C++ interface. To start coding, go to File and select New Source File. This opens a blank file where you can write C or C++ code. Since this is Dev++, let's start with a C++ program. To begin, type #include iostream. If the font is too small, go to Tools, select Editor Options, then go to Fonts to adjust the size. For example, setting it to 25 gives a better view. You can also change the background, foreground, and text styles here. Once your setup is ready, continue coding with using namespace std, then int main, followed by hello. Save the file with Ctrl+S, give it a name like first.cpp, and ensure it's saved as a C++ file. To run your code, go to Execute and select Compile and Run. You should see hello as the output, confirming it's working correctly. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.